So these are the flip toggle wall anchors. We're going to put up a shelf in the bathroom, a wooden shelf, and just to make sure it's in there securely, we're using these guys. They hold up to 106 pounds. And to ensure that we get the shelf on the wall level, get the old Bosch laser out. The walls are already painted, so we're using the delicate surface Scotch tape to make the marks on the wall after we've measured, got the laser up there, so we know exactly where the shelf is going to be hung. This is the shelf. So the old toggle bolts are kind of one and done. You put them in there, and then once you take the bolt back out, this usually falls down behind the sheetrock. With these, it stays in place, so you can kind of reuse it. So if you take the bolt out and you put something else in place, it stays there. So it's kind of like a zip tie. Make sure it's in there and you break it off. See, now the wing is in there, it's been held in place, and now the bolt's going in. And that will hold so much more weight now because of the surface area. Now we grab the shelf and make sure that it is exactly where we want it to be. Now it looks like it shouldn't be there at the moment. It looks big and kind of, you know, obviously dark, but we're going to paint it the same as the wall colour. So stay tuned. Then you get the spirit level out, make sure it's level. German engineering. Alright, because this shelf is kind of shiny, there's a shiny stain on it, stain finish, I'm going to scuff it with 220 sanding block. Scuff sand just means you just basically just do that. Just kind of wipe over it with the sanding block. You're not doing much more than that. You're just kind of breaking that sheen. And obviously you want to wipe that off. So that's the next step, just wiping the dust off. To clean it, just using some Dawn. Spritz that on. Microfiber cloth. Just wipe it down. So I've kind of degreased it. Got the dust off, and now I've just got a damp microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to wipe any of the cleaning product residue and get the last bit of dust off before I shellac it, because we're doing a light colour. This has a dark stain on it, and we could have what's called bleed through, where this dark stain reacts with the water-based paint and you get these awful stains coming through the paint. Next step, shellac. This seals in that dark stain and it won't bleed through. So we just put the shelf up. That's 2 coats. I think it needs another coat. See how it's kind of like disappeared in the wall now? We painted it the same colour. But it's going to be great storage, and we've used a piece that's been in the family for years.